Hello, can you hear me, teacher? Sir,
Yes, I can hear you, Izan. Good afternoon.
good afternoon.
Okay, so can you share your screen about that homework which you are facing an issue?
Yeah. Not this was it.
Okay,
I couldn't
so yeah, tell me.
I couldn't get the 6 people. It didn't allow me when the what you told me didn't work. It said it was error. It was giving me syntax error, another error.
Yeah, fine. So let's try at least one person. It, First, see in programming, no, whenever you need to solve a problem, build the solution step by step. So when we say let's say 6 people, so let's focus on one. First, try to enter a name and hobby for a one person. Okay,
Yeah, I
so
tried for only one person. For some reason, didn't understand.
no, that's fine because there is a mistake. Okay, now tell me how we add a entry in a dictionary.
Entry in dictionary. Uh, it's a key value pair.
Correct. So if I
Like
want
this.
to, yeah, if I want to add new entry in a dictionary, how I do it?
Activities dot. mm, no, you add it in a different way.
Yes.
You do this, and then I don't remember, but I know the way it's written.
Okay, so yes. If you
This
see
is
on
how you
line
do it.
number, yes,
This is how you add it.
yes. So let's do the same thing on that program. So what I do here first, create an empty dictionary. So write activity equal to braces open, braces close. Just write it about this.
Square brackets or curly bracket?
How dictionary is written?
Curly brackets.
Correct. Good. So let's do that. Okay. Fine. No. This we let's create the dictionary. So we have by this statement, what we are saying that we have created the empty dictionary.
How do I do that?
You're already done. You have created the empty dictionary. Now come to the next line.
You're telling me to create an empty dictionary.
Okay. Now again write activities, then angle bracket, activities, angle bracket. No equal to. After activities, angle bracket, angle, the square one.
Oh, the square one. It's square bracket.
Yeah. Inside that you put a name. Okay. Now come outside and write equal to and say the values or whatever. So in our case, it is a what? Hobby.
Okay.
Space hobby. Okay. Now what you know that the first line, right? Activity equal to name colon hobby. You can remove that or you can comment it. Okay. Let's save this and try.
It's still printing like that.
Sorry?
It's still printing like the way.
But correct, right? It's
Yeah,
coming.
yeah. It was this, but it did the same thing with it. It did the same thing with this also.
No, no. See, when you, this is not a way to add anything in the dictionary. If okay, when you are creating a dictionary by just putting a name, then you can write like this. But here you are writing a name, so name itself is a variable.
Yeah.
Are you able to follow or no? It's okay if you're not able to follow. I'll explain you with another example.
No, I'm not able to understand.
Okay, so now let me, what can I do? Okay, let me share my screen. You can stop sharing. I'm doing almost same thing, but took some other example. So what are we doing here? We will just, let's remove this. We have a dictionary called D. So when I say D equal to curly braces, open curly braces close, it is an empty dictionary.
Yeah.
Now this is input. So what I'm doing is I'm saying input. So input will have some E, something I will enter, and again I'll ask for input,
Yeah.
and that input I'm converting it to the integer. This is how we convert anything from string to, okay, let's
Yeah, I
do,
know. I know the command. I know. I've written it many times.
okay. Now what, see, the what you are doing is you're doing something like this. Colon, right?
Yeah.
So when you do like this key and value itself are a element of the dictionary. But if you see, actually these are the
Ah,
variable,
okay.
these are the variables.
Ah, yeah. That's true.
So it is something like this, you're trying to do something like this, right?
Yeah.
So this is okay, this is okay.
Yeah,
Let
but it
me,
is not a dictionary because it is itself it's a variable. You said.
correct, correct. So now let's, what will happen, I already have a, let's see, I think let's add something new and see how it, okay, invalid
Entries.
syntax. Why?
Line 6 input dir dot py. This line 6. I think it's because of that. Uh, oh, you made a mistake with the A column. We put single quotes.
I don't think that is not an issue. Wait a second, my map. See, if I just want to write, I write it like this. So what is wrong? If I want to write, I will write again. Let me,
Oh, you didn't put the number in single quotes. You said you put in single quotes number.
wait. Where is the file, man? I recently wrote input dir.
Input dir dot py. It's over there below meeting chats. Input dir dot py.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, so let's say if I do like this.
And for the number also, because in that also you put, and then you put comma, and then close.
Invalid syntax, because a comma, or what are we doing here? It says a input is this. No,
Must be the integer command.
wait. See, I have taken this and then putting this. Nothing wrong. Colon. The colon one. So let's read the error. Python does not know how to read your program. Original error message. Feedback
Wait, can you
links.
go back to the original one, the mymap.py? Did that one? Yeah, it's this one. I think you have to put d equal to.
Ah, man, being silly mistakes. So how you were putting it, I forgot.
Uh,
Was it d equal to, or
yeah, it is d equal to. It's equal to. Now try. Must
hey,
work
this will work?
more.
This will work. Right now it is asking me inputs. I'll say, let's say B. I'll say 6. See.
Hmm.
So what I wanted to explain here, you need to put the element if you want to do like this. What you are doing, you are putting the this key, which is your variable. So let's say if I do like this, and I do,
Yeah, but it's without the single quotes because it's a variable, it's not a string.
let's say C.
It says warning incompatible. Okay, never mind.
It was previous, so that it's okay. You can ignore that for time being. So what I'm trying to say, if you want to do it like this, so basically when you are taking input from a user, you need to add the value. You need to do it like this. Then it becomes easy. Let's do this. What is around here?
Yeah, I get it. It's because it's a variable. You can't put a variable as in a dictionary. You can't put a variable itself in dictionary. That is what you're saying, right?
Yes.
Okay, then from now on, then you have to write the thing like this: d square, then the square brackets, keys, and then square brackets closed in equal to values. I will have to write it like that from now on.
Yes. So now, so we were able to do it for one time, Now, if you want to do it for, let's say, 6 people, so basically we need to use a loop. I mean, we have not covered it, but once we cover that, we'll do it this exercise again. So when you have a loop, you ask this thing 6 times, and every time you keep on adding. So that
Yeah.
will keep on adding your this value, key and value.
Yeah, today's lesson was about turtle. We're going to talk about turtle today.
Yes.
Let's start that because my father is saying you need to get into advanced fast. I already learned the defined command also function, but that doesn't mean we're going to skip it because I only learned bits and pieces. At least that will help.
Okay. Okay, so let's get started with the turtle.
Yes. Not delay further.
Okay, so let's say someone has built something and you want to use it. Okay, in this scenario in Python there is a facility to do this, and it is known as an import. So turtle is a library which is mainly used for a drawing, and that drawing, and it is someone has, I mean it's not someone, actually group of people has built it. So let me, Okay, so I mean, we don't have to go in each and every detail, but just to give you an overview, so the actual documentation is available here, and you can find almost everything related to, Turtle library here. Now this someone has built it. So basically what we need to do is we need to import this in our program. So whenever we want to do something, we have to import it and then we can directly reuse it. So let's import it first.
Make a
So
new
we'll say
document.
import
Turtle.
turtle. We'll just run this only. I'll say T1 and run. This basically says that there are no errors, means we are able to import the turtle library correctly. Now
It says unused because we're not writing any other commands. It says unused.
correct. So now that we have imported the turtle module. Now we need to create a canvas. So canvas is something, blank space where you can draw. So just consider something like, there is a paper on which you want to draw something. Okay, so that is called a canvas in this turtle terminology. So what I will do, and once we have the canvas, what we need a pen. Okay,
Yeah, the pen. T.turtle pen. Turtle.pen or something.
C equal to, I'll say dot pen. So I have
Pen.
taken the pen.
Yes,
Now
I know this. Pen up, pen down. Yeah, I know. I've done a little bit. Just a little bit.
okay, so now just save. I'll save this and run it. Let's see what happened with this. So if you see here, it has given you this window. This is known as your canvas, and it has this arrow. This arrow is our, you can consider it's a pointer or our pen, what we want to do something.
Okay.
So basically people call it as a turtle also. So whatever you see this in middle, it's our turtle.
Yeah.
Okay, now we'll do something more.
You can draw something maybe.
Yes. So if I think, so can you quickly try at least this? So just I want to make sure that, it is turtle is working and your graph, you're able to get the canvas.
Yeah,
In
I'll
your,
try.
yeah, quickly. Yeah. No need to share.
Yeah,
Just quickly do it.
yeah, I need to share.
No need to share.
Yeah, but I want to share like it is.
Okay, fine.
Okay, I'll share my screen. Oh, mistake. That was a mistake. Yeah, I've done it.
Okay, good.
You can share your screen, I think.
Okay, so next, construct or next function, what we can do on a turtle is, so this is one of the object oriented way of doing the thing. So what we did, we imported the turtle, then we said turtle.pen, it has given us a pen. Now we have the pen with us, so we can say that this is a pen object. Now using that pen we will do many things. So now what I'm doing is, with this pen I'll say t dot forward 50. So when I say forward 50, if you see on a screen, from this point it moved 50 pixel. So Do you know what is a pixel? Have you heard it? Heard
Yeah,
in a
many times, like 1080 pixels, like the high quality, high definition. Like when you have the more the pixels, the higher the definition. I've heard that many times.
Okay, good. So, okay, another thing, do you know what is a matrix?
That I don't know.
Okay, so what I will explain, let's imagine that, there is a screen and we divide this entire screen in a small dot. Those dots are known as a pixel. Now, each dot will have some unique color.
Yeah.
Now, when I see some picture on a screen, for example, if you're able to see all this icon and all stuff like that, so when I have some particular color, that means that dot has some color, and the color is represented by RGB value. RGB. R stands for red, G stands for green, and B stands for black.
Red, green, black. So it is red, green, black, green, black. No, it seems it's red, green, blue.
Red, green, blue. Okay. So if you see on a screen, there is a color picker where you can see the different values. So we don't need to understand what is a hexa value and all. So if you see in this middle column, red, green, blue, when I say 255, my red is means it is a red, and remaining two are 0.
Yeah.
If you see other number where this, my middle one, G is a 255, remaining two are 0. So that is my green.
Yeah.
Are you following?
Yeah, I'm following. I can understand that these are a mix of colors showing
Correct.
how much part of blue and green are there, from red, blue, it's like that.
Correct.
It's a table of index.
Same way goes with the blue also. Now each pixel will have these values. So if you imagine a photo, in photo, let's say, my nose is there in a picture. So my nose will have particular color. So that smallest pixel will have this, values. It could be, 64, 255, 33 or whatever based on the color.
Yeah.
Are you able to follow?
For some reason, magenta is both red and blue. It is 255. You see, it's 255 and 255. This color, magenta. No. Go below. Is below purple. You see that color. 300.
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So because when you mix a red and a blue, it becomes this. So when I say this is 255 and this is 255, means it's a mix of red and a blue.
Okay.
So like that, so just imagine the combination of, all these three which vary from, 0 to 255. Just imagine the number of, here they have shown only very few, but it's full range, right? So all different colors will be there. So what I'm trying to explain you here is that particular dot, right? That particular dot is a 1 pixel. When each dot will have a different color, and when you combine, it becomes a bigger picture.
So that is what is a matrix?
Yeah, so matrix is something different which comes in the mathematics, but to store this color information, matrix is used.
Okay. So matrix is one which shows all these colors.
Yes. So let me see if I can show some image. Yeah. So let's see, there is this image. Let's pick anything.
There are many games like this, especially Minecraft. It's mostly pixels.
Yeah. See, do you see all these dots? So each dot is, pixel, and it has a particular value. Okay.
Yeah.
So now what I wanted to explain here is when we see t dot forward 50 means we have moved 50 pixel forward.
Okay.
So if you see here, we have moved 50 pixel forward. It was initially at this location and it moved towards this. Okay.
Yeah.
So this 50 is 1 means 1 pixel, 50 means 50 pixel. Basically, that is what I wanted to say. Now there is something called angle also. So angle, have you studied in your maths?
Yeah, of course I studied. I'm in 8th grade, so I studied it.
So if you see, when I say t dot left 90, so it made a turn
90 degrees.
90 degree.
And
Let me again do the forward so that we'll see, exact.
it made
You
a
see?
right angle.
No, yeah, made a right angle, but I said left. Do you see on a screen? So it came here, then turn left.
If you give it t dot left and then you give it t forward 50 and then t dot left and t dot forward 50 again, then it will become a square. Which is basically a loop.
Correct.
I think we can do that. Let's try that. It will be good. Just for starting, can try making a square.
I think we have done something extra, so I'll quickly remove that. So draw 90, draw 90, draw 90, draw. That's it. See?
Is there a way to like make it go up and down?
Means we can do
Can we
other. So see, directions are two. One is left and right, or you can say clockwise and anti-clockwise.
oh. So it will make a circle if we say anti-clockwise. No, we need t dot circle, right?
What you want to achieve?
Like to make a circle, we need a t dot circle command or something.
There might be t dot circle command, but without that also we should be able to draw a circle. That we will see once it comes. Okay, so are you able to understand this forward and a left?
Yeah, I'm able to understand.
Let's do the right. Okay, I'll just control Z.
I think it will make a mirror image, maybe.
Yes, it is a mirror image, but what we will do, we'll see, we'll do it from here.
Okay, I think we can comment those lines. Oh, okay.
Understood?
Yeah, understood. That is very, very interesting.
Now, if you, let's say, okay, have you heard of the owl, a bird?
I'm sorry, what?
Bird, owl.
BIRD? Owl, yeah, owl, yes, owl.
Okay, so if you know, they basically have a capability to turn, their neck fully.
Yeah, 360 degrees. Yes,
Correct. So
yeah.
if you see in our exercise, we were just, turning 90 degrees. Same way, we can turn a 360 degree here.
Okay.
So why I brought this up. So basically I wanted to, so that, you can remember easily. So there are different angles which we can do it, and you can turn 360 degree also, because imagine when we need to draw a circle, basically we need to turn 360 degree.
Yeah, 360 degree. That's true.
Okay, now let's see another thing, which is a t dot. So when I call this t dot reset, what it does, it puts the turtle back to its starting position.
Oh, okay.
So let's see.
Oh, it got rid of the
Previous one.
first one. Yeah, it got rid of it. If you put t dot reset at the end, also it will remove everything, right?
Yes.
It will erase it. It's like an eraser basically.
There is something clear also.
Yeah, t dot clear also works, right?
Yes. But in that case, it will just clear and your turtle will be at the same place where it is. It will not go to the original place. When you say reset, it will go, your turtle will go to the original place. Let's not do this now. We'll first do the reset so that you understand one thing at a time. See, this we have drawn and reset. So we are at the original place. Or if I put the reset somewhere in middle, you will understand what I'm saying. We'll cut it from here and I will do it after, just drawing a few sides. You see, it has resetted. Are you able to follow?
Yeah, I'm able to follow.
Now, instead of reset, if I say clear, so clear, what it does, it just clears everything, but it will not go to the original location of the turtle.
Okay.
You see, let me again run it. So it will clear off, but it will not go to the original location.
Yeah, it will just clear the entire figure and then not go to the original. Okay.
Yes. Okay, so we have seen the forward. We have seen same way there is something called backward and upward. So let's see all those things. So generally this clear and reset are used at the beginning when you want to draw something, right? It is like
Yeah.
you already have some paper and you want a clean paper. So what you do reset and start afresh. Then I'll just remove all this temporary thing. We have done this left, right. Now just let's do the other thing. So I'll say backward. I'll say backward 100. Then I'll say t dot up. Then I'll say t dot right 90. Let's see. So if you see, you have gone forward 50 steps, then turn 90 degree, which is the left, and then backward. So we came back, then up, and then right. So I think after up, I should do something 100 more. Let's see.
I don't know what happened.
Okay, let's wait. So this you understood, right? Reset.
Yeah, reset and
Then
but
forward.
the t dot up, what is the t dot up doing? It's not even going up.
Yeah. Give
Oh,
me a
so because
second.
it's the value is 0.
It basically says that we have picked up the pen. It will not draw anything.
Oh, okay. So it's basically t dot pen up. Okay.
Same way,
Oh,
there is something called t dot down. So it's like imagine
it's
that
t
paper is.
dot pen. Now I get it.
Okay,
It's
so
a,
let's.
it's a
Yeah.
shortcut for turtle dot pen.
So I think
T.
Yes, correct. So if you can, remember your scratch session, you should be able to correlate, pen up, pen down, and all those things.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so now let's say if I want to draw a dotted line, how should I do it?
Dotted line. We should make a really small circle and circle. We should erase and then dot and then
Okay, so if you have pen and paper or your Samsung Note, just try to draw a dotted line and tell me what steps you followed to draw a dotted line.
okay, draw it. Oh, sorry, this on the tablet fell a little bit. Yeah, I did it.
Yeah, so what you did? What
So
the step?
I basically opened Samsung Notes. One by one, I made a circle-like shape and filled it with dot shapes, and then I kept going and added an arrow, and that's it.
Okay, let's see.
And I think you need T dot up. You need a T dot up for the, what do you say,
That's what.
dotted line.
Yeah. So basically, it's like, you put your pen, lift your pen, put your pen, lift your pen. This is very small, so let me take a something called 20 or something. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's basically, same thing what we do to draw it on a paper. Okay. So can you draw rectangle on your own? I mean, you can share your screen and please draw a rectangle.
I think, yeah, I can do it.
Yeah, please.
Should I do it on Thorny or should I do it on this?
Whatever you are comfortable. My aim that, you should learn. That's it.
Dot forward and then it is like that. Then after that, it's no. I'll just copy paste it like this.
Yeah.
Then I have to turn right again. Then oh no, attribute dict object has no attribute forward.
Did you misspell? Can you just click on forward? Correct, right?
Yeah,
FRWARD.
yeah, it's correct.
Can
Oh
you
no,
just copy your code and try it? Oh, you're in Thoni only, right? Okay.
yeah, I'm on Thorny. Let me try something like this. But this is wrong. This spelling is wrong. Can you show me your code? Like the spelling you used, because I want to know if I spelled it wrong or is there some other error. Spelled it correct. What's wrong? Ah, okay, capital missing.
What?
Let me
Pen.
try this. Yeah, turtle. Let me try this. But it says line 6. What's wrong with line 6?
Can you just share? Let me see.
Wait. Anything wrong with line 6? I don't
Line
see
number
anything.
600. T dot turtle line 6. Your program try to call back forward for dictionary, but this type does not have such. No,
No error? In my code? Anything wrong?
no, I
Must
don't
be
see
something.
turtle T reset T forward. Correct, right?
Yeah, why is it giving error? Strange. Wait, let me try this. No,
TURTLET equal to pen.
let me try running again. Ah, see, it drew now.
No,
Weird. Weird. No, it
what?
drew. Look, it drew it. It drew a rectangle. Worked.
Okay, good, fine.
Very, very strange. There was no error and it said there was an error. Very strange.
Okay, so now let's do something different. So what about the triangle? Okay, so before we go to the triangle, some mathematics. Okay, so if you see the square has a four sides
Yeah.
and it has a four angle. Now, if you just imagine that we turn around 360 degrees, so it's total angle is 360 degree.
Yeah.
And if you divide it by a number of sides, what number you get?
100 and wait,
360 divided by
120.
number of sides. 360 divided by
120.
360 divided by number of sides.
For triangle, it will be 120.
Okay, and for a rectangle?
For rectangle, it's going to be 90.
Yeah.
So
So yeah, please.
I think it is. I think it's t dot forward, like as usual forward, and then it is. Then you have to do t dot right or t dot left 120. I think I'm not sure.
Yeah. So wait. So listen for a minute. When we say this 90 degree and 120 degree angle, so that angle is the inside angle. Okay.
Yeah.
I mean inside in the sense the
Interior angle. Yeah.
interior angle will be, so if you consider the triangle, interior angle will be different, but when you turn, right, so you're turning from the above side, so 360 minus interior angle, so remaining will be your angle. Okay, so
Yeah.
I think once we do it you will understand. So
Yeah.
you want to try the triangle?
Yeah, but I think you can do it first. I just want to see it. Have a look at the code because I'm not sure.
No, but that's okay. No, you try. What is wrong in that? Let's try. It's okay.
Okay, I'll try this.
If you're fine, you can share the screen so that I can take a look at it. So first decide, we want to move clockwise or anti-clockwise. Then decide, we already know our angle. So our angle is what to say,
120.
20,
So I'll have to do it like this. Not
correct?
sure.
No, correct.
Wait, I'll have to remove some part of the code because triangle only has 3 sides.
That's fine. You can remove it, whatever is not required.
This is not required. What should I do after
No,
this?
one more angle is left, right? One more side. For
Yeah,
one, yeah, wait. And see, when we talk about 360 divided by 3, so it's a what kind of triangle?
it is going to be equilateral.
So in the case of equilateral triangle, what will be the sides of each
All of the
triangle?
angles and sides are equal.
Correct. Okay, let's try now. You can run it. Let's see how it looks.
Oh, 2 triangles.
No, why? You just see your program. No, something is wrong there. For equilateral triangle, what should be?
I think it should be 100.
Okay, now let's try.
Yeah.
Done? Okay, good. Now let's see what we want to do. Okay, so let's say if I want to draw a circle, but I don't want to draw a corner. You want to take that as a homework?
I
You want,
think we'll do it here.
okay, do it then. So what I'm saying that I want to draw, sorry, not circle. I want to draw a square, but I
Yeah.
don't want to draw a corner.
Okay. I think it's, ouch, it's going to be 180 degrees maybe. It's going to have a curved edge. That's what you're trying to say. Curved. It should be curved.
No.
There
Wait.
should.
You just draw this using your pen and paper or something. I want a
Wait,
circle. Sorry,
I'll
I
share
want a
my.
square.
Wait, I'll tell you. I'll share my screen. I'll go to the paintbrush and I'll show you what I mean.
Okay, fine.
Oh, there is Zoom itself has a whiteboard. Wait, I'll stop sharing. You see this? I'm trying to say that you're trying to say that this is how it should be.
No. Okay, let me share.
This is what
Okay.
you're saying?
No. I'll send you the picture. What I'm saying.
Is it on WhatsApp or Gmail? If it's on WhatsApp, it'd be a good.
Yeah, I'll just putting on WhatsApp only.
Oh, this. Okay, now I get it.
So just try to draw this, using just pen and paper.
I think I can do it on paintbrush. I can do this now itself. This is really easy. I just have to remove. Have to what you say? T dot up.
Yeah, good.
I need to remove this is what we say a square. So what I need to do is I need to make it T dot forward 80 and then I have to remove some part of the angles, angle. I have to hide that line, part of the line. I have to hide 20 pixels and I have to hide the 90-degree one.
Okay.
I have to hide 40 pixels in each edge. To hide 40 pixels.
Are you doing it, or you're just writing or something?
I'm saying.
Okay, so I think you can start doing if you are comfortable.
If it's fine, I'll share my screen.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, I'll make this. Right. First, can I do first? I can just make it a normal square.
Yeah, that's good idea. Always go step by step. First make it
Yeah,
a
because
normal.
then it will be easier for me also. Then I can go for the next step. Once I'll just try running. Oh my god, it's the same error. It keeps coming. I don't know why this Python and that Python use such errors.
Something with the dictionary. Why we see the dictionary error? You close all unnecessary things. Just open up only one editor.
Okay, then I have WhatsApp open. I'll have to keep WhatsApp open.
No, that is not an issue. I'm talking about, you're using these two things, right? One is a Thony and another is this guy.
Yeah.
So just focus on only one. Remaining you can close it.
Okay, I'll. Same error. Keeps showing this error.
No, but this is a dictionary error, right? Why are we getting a dict?
Very, very strange. It came last. Okay, let
Capital
me
P,
do this.
capital P, capital P. Yeah.
All the time it keeps showing this error. Okay, now it works. Just because of a capital problem, it keeps coming.
But that means they're not giving a correct error. They should give a correct error.
Yeah,
The error message is not correct.
they should give P should be capitalized error like that. So this turtle pen right now is turtle graphics like this. So I have to remove 20 pixels, 20 pixels, 20 pixels. I'll try something. How can I hide it?
Okay. How can I hide it? Basically, you don't hide. You need to just
P dot up.
yeah. But where you will do it, that is also very important. Yes. When you do
First,
it.
let me try this. If this doesn't work, I'll try something else. No, it's still drawing a square. Then maybe I'll have to, if I make it 70 degrees, it will not make a square, right? Okay, no, it won't. I'll have to hide 40 pixels. I have this. So where do we do it? After the T dot left, I think, I think it's in the middle. Yeah, it's in the middle. I have to put this here. And after we have turned, right, mistake. And then T dot down.
So, Isan, what is your general schedule? Like, I just want to know so that, how much homework I can give you and stuff like that.
Like my what?
General, day-to-day activity. Like, you have other classes also.
No, I don't have other classes, but my parents keep me busy a little bit. Like they also give me Python, and they give me other stuff, projects to keep me active.
Okay.
Yeah, but I still have free time. I do it usually. I do it in the afternoon. Your homeworks, I only do it in the afternoon. I do it because I wake up very late. This should be the code. T dot forward, T dot up. Nope, still doesn't work.
Fine. So, I know you will be able to do it. So, take this as a homework. It's fine. First, try to do it on a pen and paper.
But I think it is T dot clear. Then if we then we have to have to replace the T dot up with T dot clear. That work.
When you clear, it will basically clear of everything, right?
But why is it not working the up? It is making it a normal square. Wait, I think it has two parts. Nope, still doesn't work.
Fine. So, I want you can do it as a homework, not an issue, man. So see, the in programming, no, even I also have a habit to, let's say there is a problem. What I do, I directly jump, into coding. That is very bad, to be, honest with you. First of all, go the traditional way. Do take a pen and paper. Think what you need to achieve. Write the steps, or at least do it by hand. That this I need to do. Then put it in a editor or Python IDE or whatever. Because the moment you start typing, no, your active involvement, in thinking process reduces. So always, keep computer away. First find the solution on a pen and paper, and then start implementing. Yeah, then if you think that there is something is missing, then it's okay. But when you start, it should not just start with directly opening it, start typing it and all those things. So that is actually harmful.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so I'll just share my screen. So I'm not giving you answer, so we can talk about it next class if required. I want to show you something different. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Have you seen the
Yeah.
turtles?
Yeah. I've seen the turtles now.
Yeah. So like this, you can change the color of the turtles. You can change the location of the turtles. So for example, XY geometry, right?
Hmm.
So if I
Wow.
divide, yeah, tell me, sorry.
No, I didn't. What did you say? I didn't understand for us.
XY coordinate, you know?
Yeah, exactly, of course.
Yeah. So basically, when you divide this entire screen into the 4 quadrants, center
Yeah,
being your 0, 0, this side is a positive X, up is a
yeah.
positive Y, down is a negative Y, and left is your negative X. So based on that, you know, if you see, I have in this thing, what I have said is P1 dot go to minus 200, 100. So my green turtle is here. It is basically minus 200 because my X is negative and Y is positive. So it's 100 here. So you
Yeah.
understand this XY coordinate value?
So the P1 is minus 200 and 100. The other one is in the original location.
Yes, yes. It is at
It's not
the,
0, 0.
I would say it is at the 0, 0 only.
Yeah, even me also 0, 0.
Okay. So, you know, there is a whole bunch of command with the turtle. So what should we do? Should we, you know, do it in a class, or you want to go on your own? And I mean, I can share you the command with the example and everything step by step, you know, things to do. So you can take that. If you are
I
okay, you
can
can
do a
take.
little bit alone. I can do little bit, and increase the amount I do alone. First, for when you give the homework, then like you can increase it as we go on and give more difficult homeworks. And also sometimes we can you can give difficult things to do and outside after some time. Like we go slowly, and we'll do this in a class, and little bit we leave for me to do alone so that I can learn.
Understood. Fine. So I think I know I'll not give other homework. So actually, I was thinking to give you circle and with the field color and all, but I think we'll go step by step. So not an issue. So you know, for this today's class, you can consider this square where we do not have edges as a homework.
Okay, I'll just actually it will be I need to send it on Gmail. Like I told you last time, I tend to forget a lot.
Okay, sure. I'll do it. So where it is? Okay. Okay, I'll send it. So next, let me see what we can do.
And also the class recordings will be
So
helpful.
recording, I think I have shared you the link, right?
You have only shared me for like 2 recordings, I think.
So I think I'll keep on updating it, you know, once class is done. So you should be able
Yeah,
to see, I think, how many class we have done, right?
yeah, we've done like 5 or 6 classes right now.
Yeah. No. I think 2 or 3 only. 3. I think this should be maybe fourth or third.
Yeah, fourth.
Yeah. So you should have, let me see quickly. Dropbox, my Mac, Pi, client is on.
You didn't update.
No,
Today's,
three are there, right? So today is pending. So that I'll do once we are, you know, it is done, right?
yeah, today's
So
8th June. Our last class was 6th June.
5th June.
5th June, sorry, 5th June.
Yeah. So it's there.
So this is our 4th class.
Yeah.
So now the next class will be 5th class and then 6th class. And then
Yeah. So don't worry about the number of classes. Okay. I mean, you
yeah,
don't
yeah.
think that, you know, we'll not be able to finish in 15 class and all those things. So that you can ignore.
Oh no, we can finish. We'll take our time
Yeah. Yeah. So
until by
yeah, I'm targeting something by, you know, mid July or July end, something like that. I'm targeting.
yeah. I want to be master at Python by that time.
Yep.
Good.
Okay. So once this session is over, I'll put this also here. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I think should we end the session or I
Yeah.
think we
Fine.
can go on.
Sorry.
I think we can go on. Should we go on?
Wait a second. Let's see if something new if I can cover. I will do it. Otherwise, we can do it next time. So, okay. You know how to change the different shape of a turtle that you know?
Like the shape? No, not yet.
Let me, quickly show that. Okay, before that, let's quickly do the other things. So I'll close this. I will copy this, open this up here, and then I'll say t equal to dot pen. Then I'll say t dot what you shaped, right? Circle. I'll say 60.
Circle. 60. Sorry.
Let's draw circle. Okay.
But there's a lot of code behind that T dot circle. There must be, because this is a sub command. Like, what do you say? Shortcut.
Yes.
There must be much more code behind.
You can do the dot also. Let me do the dot. See, this is a dot.
Yeah, it is basically a filled circle, but very small.
Now we can change the background color also. So I'll
Yeah, I know.
say,
T dot BG color. Yeah, I know.
okay, good. So I'm not doing it.
T dot BG color black. Okay, then let's just try. I can't remember sometimes. I'll have to remember and understand the true meaning. That I didn't understand. I just copy pasted. I remember everything, but
So there is something called, turtle.title and give you a title. So whatever window this opens up, right?
yeah,
Here you see my program name is coming. That title come from here. I can give, X, Y, Z. That will be more meaningful. I mean, at least just to understand. You see?
yeah.
So
And
this is,
turtle.bg color, if we can do that.
yeah,
Is it t.bg color or turtle.bg color? I think
turtle,
it's t.
turtle. T is basically you took a pen. So background is not for a pen. Background is for entire canvas, right? So
Yeah, so turtle.bg color.
correct.
True.
You need to, think in terms of the real world scenario. Then you will get the answer quickly that it should be T dot or it should be, right?
Yeah.
So change the background color. Okay, then let's see. Title we have done. So even we can change the shape and size also.
Oh,
Let me quickly do at least one example for that. I will remove the background. I'll remove the dot. I want to come to the normal turtle and then I'll say T dot shape size. Now I'll tell you how. Sometime see, you don't have to remember because there are so many things you can't just remember.
you have to understand the code.
So if you see, it's T dot shape size 1, 5, and 10. So when I give 1, 5, and 10, it gives me this output. Now we don't know, what is 1, what is 5, what is 10. So what is good practice to do is you go to the documentation and search for a shape and size. So you will get this here. Okay. then it says, stretch width, stretch length, and then outline. Positive number, positive number, positive number. So all three should be positive number. So what they are talking about, when you say, return a set pens attribute x and y, stretch factor and outline, set resize mode to user. So here you can see the size, length and width and outline of our turtle cursor or whatever you say.
Yeah.
So if I, let's say we'll use the same example what they have here. Oh, this is a turtle. So where is the title in pen? Okay.
Yeah.
Getting any output? No. Don't need this.
Which you can comment for the time being.
So this is normal one. Now what I want to do is to give this.
Turtle.fd is basically a shortcut for forward.
Yes. See. So width and length in the outline. So outline is 12. So now what we will do, we'll just keep on changing the outline and see the change what occurs in our, this thing. We'll make a width and length same. I will change the outline. Make it to 60. Let me comment this. I don't need this. You see?
Yes.
So we are talking about, size is same, but outline is changing. So that is why the, age of that pointer is reducing. If I say this, now it's more, sharper.
Sharper.
So basically, so what is the takeaway from here? No, whenever you don't know anything in the Python documentation, you need to search what that, it does. There they would have written everything, what is the detail description of it.
So this is, where do you find this? Oh, it's docs.python.org. So I'll call the notepad.
I'll send you an email, don't worry.
Yeah, I'll just write it on the notepad.
Okay.
Wait, what was the website name? docs.python.org. Okay, I'll save it in Python. Python. I'll save as. Okay, I saved it.
Okay, fine. So I think, we'll stop here for today. There are a couple of more turtles command. We'll see it in the next class. And that, with that, I think we'll be able to finish the turtle thing. And I'll give, yeah. So you were saying something, right? FD is for forward.
Yeah.
LT is for yeah. All these things are valid.
So when the next class we might do turtle or text input and turtle or num input, we'll do all of that.
Yes, we can do it.
Okay, we
So
can
what you want to what you said, turtle dot?
text input and turtle
Okay.
dot num input.
Okay. Yeah, we will do
So
it.
do it because all the turtle comments we cover up next class, we can move on to the more important stuff like loops and how to define a string and make your own functions. That will be very, very helpful.
Okay. Yeah, we'll do it, bro. Don't worry. We'll go step by step. We'll do it. So once we finish the turtle, I think we'll directly jump into the if statement, then for loop, and then the function. This is the flow.
Okay, and yes, I know if statement already, but we can do it. Yes, a little more complex. But since I know a lot of if statements, I can do most of it on my own. Like 40%, 30%, I can do it on my own.
Correct. Don't worry. So, but after each topic, there'll be homework, right? So that will kind of, test also that how much you know, and it will be good practice for you also.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think let's stop here for today. So homework I have already sent.
So can I can't you if I struggle, can I use Google Chrome or
Yeah. You can use man. You feel free to use whatever you are comfortable.
Okay. I guess that is it for today.
Yeah, fine. Sure.
Okay.
Thanks a
Okay.
lot.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank
Bye.
you, sir. Have a nice.
Same to you. Bye. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.